Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to make a sprint. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, the sprint is basically a process of creation. It got the following characteristic. It is a predetermined process of time, not less than a week and not more than a month, during which usable done and finished product increase in create potential delivered throughout the construction development. There are sprints consecutive and constant duration. Several agile methodologies work with the sprints such as Scrum, Design Sprint, Scrum, etc. The sprints allow through multiple repetitions to reach the objective of this project. Okay, so the sprint is a process, like I was telling you in the introduction, that is very commonly used in a lot of agile methodologies. You have to use this when you have a team that got all the knowledge and all the competence to make it happen. You have to have a group that is well educated in all of this. Other way, it won't work. So before I start explaining all of this, if you like our content, please subscribe to our channels, turn on the bell, give us a like, and share our content because it helps us a lot and allow us to keep working on this project. So the first thing that you need to know is that a sprint usually lasts between a week and a month. It could in that time, but many times you have to develop a lot of sprint to reach your objective of the project. The first thing that you need to know about the sprint is that what are you going to develop. That is the main thing. You have to have a clear objective or several objectives. um, and of course know which methodology are you going to work with. Like I was telling you in the introduction, the team to develop this, it has to be well educated and they need to have a lot of knowledge in how to work with this process is not for people that is beginning to learning or they are rookies on this, because here you are not teaching, you are have experts in each one of these fields. And of course, what is the best way to develop? So you need to define this before you start your sprint. Then you have to start planning. You have to have a backlog. You have to have a time, a specific time. You have to define how long it will take each one of the sprint. And of course, you have to define the objective and the sprint goal. That is extremely important. Every single day you have to have a daily meeting. That is extremely important. Each one of the members of the team has to report what they did the day before. We need to know if they are on time, if they are left behind, what's going on. This meeting is not too long, but it has to be every single day, and each one of the members need to report what they have been doing and how they are going. Of course, you need to review uh, the the reach of the process, and of course you need to see the evolution of the project and if to see if everything is going in the correct way. You have to have a retrospective. The team meets the to evaluate the results and if it's pertinent another sprint. So it's extremely important because here you have defined the backlog. Each one of the members know what are the tasks, what they need to do every single day. That takes a while, but after that, each one of the members know what they have to do. So the sprint really need to reach a specific purpose, a specific objective, a specific development. Those kind of things don't always happen. So for make a development, perhaps you have to use 3 sprints, 4 sprints, five, depending of the time that you have designed at the beginning. And of course you have to be very careful with the process and to acknowledge every single thing. As a conclusion, we can say that the sprints can be used in defined time until the result is reached. That is extremely important because sometimes people say like, okay, how many sprints are you going to take? If it's something very complex, it could take a long time, but it's really hard to say. I can say like, okay, 4 sprints of 4 months, but in the 4 month I realized that that is not enough time, that is a possible scenario. The formation of the team and the expertise in the field is critical to success. If you are going to develop this, you have to have a really good team. Here is not for learning, is to apply all you know. Experience is extremely important. So you have to be a really expert in your field. Experience encourage perseverance until find the result that you want. That is why all agile methodologies, the majority use it. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that our Udemy courses are already available. In the description of this video, you can find the link. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish and every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much and we'll see you next time.